shocking. Truck driver escapes after crushing pregnant woman and 6 others to death in Abeokuta. A pregnant woman and 5 others lost their lives, while 2 others sustained severe injuries, Tuesday night, when a granite-laden Volvo truck and a Nissan Bluebird car collided along Ajebo Road, Abeokuta, Ogun State. Speaking on the incident, the public relations officer, Ogun State Traffic Compliance and Enforcement Corp. Trace, Babatuntay FB, said the Nissan Bluebird had number plates FD 638 while the Volvo truck had KJA 731 XP. He said the casualties were all passengers in the Nissan Bluebird, including the driver. FB explained though the car was private, it was being used for commercial purposes when the incident occurred. On the cause of the accident, FB said the driver of the truck drove recklessly and lost control in the process, forcing the vehicle to veer into the opposite lane before colliding with the oncoming Nissan Bluebird. He said, the Volvo truck was coming into Abeokuta, while the Nissan Bluebird was traveling outside the capital city to Mile 6. The truck driver caused the accident by driving recklessly. In the process, he lost control of the vehicle, and it crossed to the opposite lane and collided with the Nissan Bluebird, which was on its lane. 6 people died in the car, including the driver and a pregnant woman. The victims were 3 males and 3 females. There are 2 children among them. He, however, said the driver of the truck took to his heels after the incident. Meanwhile, FB said the injured passengers were receiving treatment at the Federal Medical Center, Ajebo, Abeokuta, while corpses of the 6 victims had been deposited at the mortuary of the State General Hospital, IJ, also in the capital city.